installing a hot swap power supply. Make sure that the on-off switch of the new power supply is in the off position. Using both hands to support the power supply, align its edges with the opening in the system chassis and then gently push the power supply into the chassis using the cam handle. Close the cam handle so that the latch clicks into the locked position and the power supply is fully seated. Reconnect the power cable to the power supply and the power source. Turn on the power to the new power supply and then verify the operation of the power supply activity LEDs.